Thank you, I.C.T. Love I.C.T. Thank you for support. Thank you so much, I.C.T. Lab company. I'm happy to show you the line from I.C.T. company. Thank you for Andy and Jack support. I'll give you an overview about the assembly line. This is loader, PCB loader, and this is solder printer, and this is instruction conveyor between the solder printer and SMT. This is taking place for JUKI. And here we have a inspection conveyor after pick and place machine. This is the oven for solder lead or load or lead 3. And this is coolant conveyor. And this is AOI Inspection machine. After finish pick and place, we have to check on this machine. Here we have outloader, good or not good, outloader. Thank you, I.C.T. I love I.C.T. Thank you for support. Thank you so much, I.C.T.